In this course, we're going to build a website for a fictional coffee roaster and coffee shop called Crafty Coffee. This shop shares many of its coffee drinks as a recipe, so fans of the shop and coffee in general can brew their own versions at home. So the website is made up of the following sections. So here we have the home page, which has our title and a tagline and 2 buttons to see our drinks or make our drinks. On the left, we have a listing of the favorite drinks. And on the right, we have some coffee news. So if I click on See Our Drinks, I'm brought to a listing page with the drinks that they enjoy. And then if you click on it, you get a overview of the drink with an image and a caption, and then a button to make this drink at home. And this brings us to a recipe page. And this is where we're going to get into some fun stuff using Matrix. Now, if we go back to the home page, we can go to Make Our Drinks, and we're brought to the coffee recipes listing page. You can see it's the same type of listing page. You can click right to the recipe, and then you can also get an idea of a listing of drinks by style. So you can think about this as a category listing page. It'll give you the list of drinks by style. And then finally, we have our news listed on the home page. You click through and you're brought to an entire news article as well. We're also going to have a static page for about. So we'll talk about how to make sort of these one-off static pages, and we'll cover category pages, everything you need to get this basic but pretty practical and real-world site up and running using Craft CMS. All right, so this is the site we're going to build. This is our plan. With that in place, let's get started learning Craft so we can start building this site.